Yo, 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 fam, what's happening? Welcome here on the RWR Raceway. Saturday. Coffee. And a recent, well, it's not finished, wheel swap. And, yeah, I used, believe it or not, glass cleaner to get rid of the chrome, so I'm going to detail the engine out, so it came out not too badly. It might not come apart easy, but yeah, a lot of times when I tap these out, bore them out, I did that with the Dremel. Scored it a little bit, but sometimes it's hard not to. I like the paint job on it. Detail the bars up inside and the engine, and do the interior a little different. But yeah, I use glass cleaner to strip off the chrome, or a degreaser will do the same. So there. And I haven't done anything more, or I took off the wheels for this dragster, paint her up a little more. I gotta detail it out. I gotta do that silver in a little better. But yeah, she just seemed a little. And I noticed these smaller wheels were 8mm as opposed to. It's hard to find little mags. Wish I had a 3D printer. I don't know too many to do, but if I ever do, yeah, I gotta repaint the back fin. I'm not done with this one yet because it looked a little naked. Pardon the expression, figuratively speaking. Oh boy. Well. So. That's it for me. Hello, y'all. Hope you're doing okay. Sip of coffee. Puff of smoky. Because it's Canadian. This week. Thoughts and losses. I love this. Fam.